Welcome to Learn Law Better, where today I'm going to discuss how to best organize your thoughts on an exam. Without a plan, your answer will read like a stream of consciousness novel and not like a law school essay. Hi, this is Bo Baez, and today we are going to talk about why writing your thoughts down on an essay exam without a plan is unlikely going to get you the grades you want. Many students approach a law school essay exam like they do in college. They read the question, then they start typing everything they know about the topic. That approach worked in college because college professors primarily are testing on knowledge retention. So students that recall vast amounts of information get an A. One educational theorist, Dr. Benjamin Bloom, explains the levels of learning by using a pyramid. At the base of the pyramid is knowledge, which is the easiest form of learning. He then explains that learning gets progressively more difficult as we move from knowledge to comprehension, then to application, analysis, synthesis, and then at the top of the pyramid, we have evaluation. In college, you are being tested at that bottom level, knowledge. But law school and bar exams are testing you on application and analysis, which means that what worked in college is not going to work on a law school exam. Having proctored many exams, here's what I see many students do. They open the exam, they read the question very carefully, and then immediately start typing. There is no way that a student who reads a question and then starts typing an answer has thought through what they are going to discuss. It's the old college behavior coming back to haunt them. To succeed, you need a plan, not fast typing skills. Now, by a plan, I mean a plan that you write down your thoughts right after reading the question. Think about the issues you need to discuss. Then write down the issues and then write down a few of your thoughts, the rule statements, some relevant facts, inferences that you need to answer the question. Don't think that you can remember everything and skip writing down your plan. If you try to just remember your plan, guess what? Halfway through the exam, you're going to forget a key rule or fact, resulting in a lower grade. The idea is that you spend a few minutes for each question, reading, planning, and then writing down a few pertinent things, and then spend the rest of your time composing your full answer. What will make this hard for some of you is the person sitting next to you. Invariably, on exam day, the person sitting next to you will just start typing soon after getting their exam. Guess what? Your instinct will be to begin typing too as you start thinking that they have a head start. No, they do not. Stick to your plan. What that person next to you has is a head start in writing an exam that will not get the highest grade. Studies have shown that students that plan out their exam will outperform those that just start writing. A few years ago, a student in my business associations class, which is a second-year course, came by my office wondering why she did poorly on her final exam. I explained to her what I just shared with you. She told me that she had followed that approach in her first year, but had decided to deviate from that approach in her second year, and now her grades were lower. As we wrap up this talk, I want to say thank you to Dean DeBoer for her suggestion that I cover this topic. If you have any questions or would like me to talk on a topic that interests you, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to watch our other videos so that you can reach your full potential. If you want to learn more about the tools we have to help you succeed, please go over to learnlawbetter.com, explore, sign up for our free newsletter. Thank you.